Hi, my name's Kirsten and today we're going to be going over revision tips. The thing to remember, if it's never too late and it's never too early to develop good study habits. I know whenever I was studying for GCSEs and A-levels, I had a horrible habit of procrastinating and I would end up the night before my exam stressing out, freaking out about what this exam's going to be like and how to revise for it in such a short amount of time. So the trick is to prepare in good time and you'll be flying through your exams. Tip number 1 is to plan ahead. Like I said, you should definitely leave yourself enough time before the exam to revise. Start revising well in advance, as soon as you know when your exams are roughly going to be. That's the best way, so you don't end up the night before crying, pulling out your hair, punching people in the face, because you just don't know what this exam is going to be like. So tip number 2 is to organise your workspace. You don't want to sit at a messy desk to revise. Make sure it's all clean and tidy. The best way to have your desk is maybe have organised with sticky notes, mind maps. Find out what kind of learning method works best for you. A lot of people learn best with music in the background, so maybe some instrumental music. Some people prefer the quiet. Another weird study tip that we've heard is that if you chew a certain flavour, maybe something strange like a kind of gum that you don't eat, maybe like peach flavour or something, it can always like trigger your memory if you eat it on the day of the exam. Weird, but it might just work. Tip number 3 is to rest and relax. Remember to take regular breaks. You want to keep your mind focused and that you're not getting bored with what you're studying all the time. Maybe go for a coffee with a friend or a jog just to kind of refresh yourself up, and you know, it kind of breaks up your revision so you're not just in your room all day long. If you take a nap, it can help consolidate your memories so you can actually pin down what you've studied already in your brain. Tip number 4 is to make sure you're eating the right food. Things like fish, nuts, avocado, even dark chocolate is really helpful. It's a lot easier to just kind of grab something quick like a packet of crisps, but they're so unhealthy and they're really not doing you any justice when you're trying to revise. If you do want any tips on what kind of snacks you should prepare for revising, we'll definitely be doing a how to make some healthy snacks here, so stay tuned for that video. Your best way is to prepare your snacks before you revise, because then it's all ready. I always find as well that if you prepare your snacks, you're kind of getting yourself into the mindset of I'm going to work, I'm going to do this revision, and you have everything ready, so it's probably the best way to go. Tip number 5 is to stay hydrated. You have to make sure that you drink plenty of water. The recommended amount is 2 to 3 litres, which is about 8 glasses a day. And this just kind of helps you to keep your body like in good shape and rejuvenated. And you'll find the more water you drink over a longer period of time, the better your body will feel and your brain. It helps your brain focus as well. The best way to probably get as much water as possible is maybe get your own little water bottle, like something like this is really cute to have as well. And it just helps you to stop going to buy an energy drink or a bottle of Coke or something fizzy like that that in the long run really doesn't help you at all. So those are my top 5 tips for studying. Just make sure that you are well prepared in advance. Maybe get some past papers because they really help. You'll know what's going to be set down on you in the day. On the day of the exam, wake up early, get a good breakfast and stay positive, and good luck. Bye!